What's up everybody, welcome to Fix It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to be looking at how to update the firmware on an A1 Mini 3D printer. So let's jump into it. So we have two options for this. One of them is updating on the printer itself if you have it connected to Wi-Fi. You can download the firmware via an SD card or micro SD card, put that in and update the firmware that way. But we're going to do it over Wi-Fi. There's also an option to update it in the app itself, but we're just going to do it on the printer, but I will show you how to do it on the app. So let's jump over to the printer and have a look. So quickly here we have the Bambu Labs app on the phone. So you need to go on devices on the bottom. And then at the top you have these three lines. Click on that three lines and then on here you have a firmware version option. So you click on that. And as you can see, because I've just got this printer brand new, the current firmware is an old one. And you have the latest firmware. So all you do is click update and that updates it. Update on the bottom. But what we're going to do is actually do it on the printer itself. So you go to settings. Then from here, now you need to go down to page 3, and in here you have a firmware, so you click on firmware, and as you can see here, it's got an update option, so you just click update, and then that'll go through, that'll update it. So that is on 82%, and that is just doing the update now. Now up to 84, 85. Getting there slowly but surely, but then this will now be updated to the latest current firmware version for the printer. So any other issues that on the previous versions have had, this shouldn't have now. So that's how you go through and update the firmware, and we'll stay with it till the end just so we can finish off the video. The thing which I never understand about these is the beginning of the updates, they go around really fast, and then when it gets to the end it goes really slow. Surely they should just work out how much and how long it's going to be, and then just do it equally rather than doing loads at the beginning and nothing at the end. But you never know with these. Was coming up to 94, 95, 96. Slowly but surely we'll get there. So here we go, 99%. It's rebooting now. So what it does is once the firmware has been updated, the printer itself will reboot while it's installing this firmware, and then once it comes back on, the firmware should be updated and you're good to go. So there we go, update successful. And just like that, that's how you update the firmware. All you do is go back and you can see there you're on the latest firmware, so that's great. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions at all about videos such as the A1 Mini or anything to do with it, let me know in the comments. I'll either answer the comment or create a video as well. So yeah, but until next time, see ya.